Taiwan speaking English while riding a cycle to my university. To pump my cycle, my tires. Cycle, let's go. Actually, I don't really know if the recording is gonna be good or it's gonna be awful because I never tried it before, but I will try to at least try myself to speak English more fluently and more understandable. Yeah. Let's try to pump this tire first, and we go. Let's do it, bro. Oh yeah, by the way, this activity will run inshallah for 3 months, and I will upload it every day after I done recording. Only when I have training on some point, so I can hope to get my score to be good, and hopefully we can go abroad with scholarship. That's very good, very nice. Even though it has been a long time since I haven't speak English, and I may have forgotten some grammar, pronunciation, and other thing. But I hope it will be work. And this recording will prove my ability. And money. Berangkat dulu. Ya. Assalamualaikum. Halo. Okay, let's stop for a bit and we will see if my cepuk pencil case is in my there is cepuk pencil case in my bag, you know. Thank you. I'll tell you some stories about myself. When I I go to college every day, and alhamdulillah have a scholarship from government. It's called KIPK, KIPNK, Kartu Indonesia Pintar Kuliah, and it make me go to college every day without having any pressure. I think there is a few pressure because they made some requirement. The limitation on how bad that we can go, and it limits us to get certain score. So keep it up. Yeah. Even though it will push us to make better education, better skill, and etc. But sometimes when my mood, my physique is down, I often forget. I often forgot few things. But it is actually crucial for my collegiate life, because it will make decision. Yeah, it will make my life. It will be good or bad. So I have few difficulties. Yeah, especially for myself, that I have really, you can say it, low tolerance to focus and do something meaningfully. Even though I have done a few steps, now you can think it as advancement, achievement that not everyone do it. Like recording our activity for every day, habit tracker, diary, having a date or calendar in your book, and have you whiteboard in your room and calendar in your room. That should be help you. You can say it should be help me to get something that I planned. And I have done it for at least 2 or 4 years since I didn't continue it for a moment. I say it for a moment. Actually, it has been postponed for at least 4 or around 4 or 8 months. And I think, oh well, my productivity goes down very, very bad. If you make a ratio of it, at least the past of me is really better than I am in present. Especially when it's talking about productivity. And that's 2 minutes tertib. And tertib. Yeah, I know there will be a lot of change when you have different conditions. So you have different things to do than your past. But at the same time, I found out that there's always a pattern. that you can do. As example, when I have a leisure time, you can say free time that I don't have to do the other thing except for my own, even though I already made to-do list. Like there is a category either for college, for work, or for myself, and which lesson that must be done, and when is the due date is when is the due date. I have made some of that, and yeah, alhamdulillah I still do it, even though it's not really you can say optimal. And it's like alarm for me why I didn't do it. I can have deep focus, do something necessary that will be impactful for my future in college, in my residual room, in my anything, but not in my house. Why I have come to my house? The thing that I always do is laying around, open your handphone, and yeah, you guess it, scrolling over and over. In my case, the thing that I always open is manga and anime. It is really fun though. You can read some fictional stories about something and you get mesmerized by it. You will be like dumbfounded. Wow, the story is really good. It gives you some artificially emotional impact. You can feel sad, feel good, feel bad about it, and that is the point that it's really fun. You can see something that you won't be able to see in work, in real life. Even though it's optional, but the urge that pushed me to do the job again and again will not be stopped. And some theory, it is caused by enzyme called dopamine. When you do something and you have done it, you will feel good, and that good sensational will make us to do that activity again and again. Anything that makes you instant pleasure is addictable. So is it just me that addicted to some kind of environment, some kind of activity, or is nowadays trial? I don't really like to speak in front of a lot of people, but when I have to, I will speak in front of them. But in many cases, I always prolong the time thinking about, do I really need to do it or can I postpone it? Yeah, fight and run emotional. But if this thing that happened to us is not dialami, experience happen, experienced by common civilian, it should be for the one that understand and can do the job, be the best than the other. You can difference between the person that can make a target of it and chase whatever it takes, or someone that only follow the flow that their environment has scripted or menyediakan. Something available is it's given to the community to do the same habit. Maybe I will tell you guys about something that I have known and something that I have done in my past regarding to discipline, productivity, and what? Hemat. Life in frugal style. I often think that I have a lot of things that I want to do. I really want to have PS4, PS5, Wii console, a Minecraft Premium Edition, and the other thing. But when I wait a moment, I want to go out of pass through the pad. Ya, tenang Kak. Let me continue. When you find something that you want to have, to earn it, it somehow emits some urge to have that item immediately, even though when we think again, we don't really need that item. We may have the other thing that we can create something or have some value that little civilians in community realize about this value. Like you want to get something and you will do something for that. Somehow either you want to do some job to get it or create some opportunities or borrowing some money and you feel good or bad for getting that thing that you want, and you want to do it again. It's a simple step that everyone will do it over and over and over again. Just like myself, I understand that not having discipline, what? I need sandal. I want to try some sandals on myself because I was wearing sandals somehow. And to buy the size that it is not really big, but it is not really small because I have to bring it every day. And it's not really every day, but each time I that need to go to my college, at least I have to make it really easy to bring. I actually have went to cottage pondok that pushed me to ensure that my castity, I mean not castity for a religion or something, but castity about something that najis or not. Punten teh, sendal ini berapa ya? 12, ininya 1. Dan ini teh. It's really fit. I really like Swallow brand for the sandals. First one is really cheap, and the second one is the durability is really good. I have worn it for 5 years, 7 years, and I just need to change it when it's really cool. At least it will take kesenangan deh. At least it will take like 3 years to change it, and it's really handle they will not emit a weird sensation if you went to a bathroom with your sandals and clean everything that you do in the toilets, and it's really nice. Cheap, good durability, and easy to buy it everywhere. That's the thing that I love in Swallow brand. I really hope though that my business will go really well. Ya, telan deh. Mari. It's now 7:20 a.m. I have a schedule for my college at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. hope that I don't. Wait. Okay, let's continue our story, guys. Where am I? Alright. Which part I have left? Yes, I know. Discipline trait. At some point, and for certain people, will bring them to a victory stage. In the world, there will always be a supply and demand, and everything have its cost. For resource and in resource, it's including not only about items, but it's including time, your energy, your knowledge, where you can say your hard skill, your item in your that belong to you, and everything has its cost. As example, when I open my handphone and reading my manga, at least few things that I have to provide is got electric, having a good electricity in my house, and having a good connection either with Wi-Fi or quota. But there is something that limit you to access internet for a certain data or time. And my best condition when some of it missing in your life, the pleasure that it's I'm sorry guys, actually I have fasting every few days. It's called puasa Nabi Daud or puasa Daud, and that time fasting, it made me really hard to speak. Like there's something that hold your neck to speak. Maybe because I not have enough water in my body. Yesterday the hunger. So it's like eating and drinking before fasting. Yeah, I only drink because I slept around 11 or 12 o'clock. Yeah, it's really making uncomfortable to speak with you guys. I will speak to you guys again after I have feeling better, because it's really makes me uncomfortable. I hope my neck will not get swollen. Because of it. I feel terus gitu. And yeah, see you guys. Maybe in the college. dan for metal nice and high nice and okay short red and I will see you guys again maybe tomorrow because I plan to taking myself like what taking like even one test. I really want to interact with you guys. Yeah, inshallah we will meet again tomorrow. Oh yeah, by the way, I plan to do this at least once a day, and I will always upload this recording, and maybe sometimes I will cut it into a short. I really certainly sure that I will find some unexcusable moment, that cringe moment. Yeah. See you guys again soon. See ya. Hell yeah. I have arrived at my April car. I'm just it. Yeah. Wait. Open it. Lock it. But I'm thinking that you love this is nonsense, and how I see it as really expensive price. Expensive. It's just myself that too much people. Um, 7:48. I done, and I don't wanna to be late because if I have space, if I getting late, I will getting scolded. Scolded full. By my teacher and my lecture, and they got at me. need to be disciplined to my job really well and to be my best self, maybe. Everything is I feel it, and I want to drink. And I like this one. This is a bottle. Because it is really loud. At ano Kang? It's really for myself. I'm walking around, going to my class that really have long distance between my house and my college. Actually, if we membanding-bandingkan, score, I forgot bandingkan. If we compare between my friend's house with my house, it doesn't look like it's far. But my vehicle is a bicycle, and bicycle is a bicycle will not be able to running as fast as motorcycle, and bicycle spend energy to be running, and motorcycle need few energy with gas only. Yeah, bicycle is super cheaper but it's spend more energy. But yeah, at least my condition, I don't really have any choice, and I think it's really good to be Muslim Mujahid, striving all you can do at the best performance, and you and living frugally. Like I said that my condition is poor, but this not falling into poverty. I still can eat, have a comfortable house, a comfortable bedroom, and everything is provided. But my father still strive to get more income from the family. To fulfill our basic need, kasi anak papat by monthly bill and daily bill. Every human needs to eat, to drink, and somehow some people cannot live frugally. Either they don't want to do it, or they just they haven't gotten to do it. Yeah, Oh. Oh my god. Ayan, exercise. Somehow, nandito sa house. Yeah. Thanks for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.